Good morning! Time to make some pancakes. We're gonna start with the pancake batter again. I'm using my cup. 1, 2. Then we take full cream milk, a cup. Then we take 2 eggs. 1. Oops, 2. Don't overmix, and then add in the muscovado sugar. Fold that in. The butter, of course. Then we pour in the first pancake. I'm watching this movie on Netflix. It's called MAUDIE. I like it so far. That was so sad. Oh my gosh.
To me.
Ma'am. No. No.
Reason for you to hate her. And we had enough of those already, so it was easier to just.
Why me?
Look, I wanted kids.
It didn't work.
I did my part.
Masturbating.
Came time for Amy to do her thing. I was like, oh, maybe no thanks.
Now, who would believe you?
My super late lunch for today, I'm having the miswa. Last serving. KAIMU, your food is ready. Yeah, it's right here. You have beef. Kain ka na. Okay? So tonight we're gonna make the chicken casserole, and since I don't have chicken stock, I'm gonna use the chicken broth cubes, and then we're gonna make some rice with this one. Tapos na yung rice natin. So while I was filming the sunset, naluto ko na yung rice. So this is rice with chicken stock, or yung nor cubes natin with water. Now we're gonna work on the casserole. So pinanood ko yung video ni Kris Aquino, and ang wala lang ako is evap and mushrooms, but that's totally fine. Nag-chop na ako ng stuff habang nag-film ako ng sunset. So now we're just gonna go cook. I have chicken over here. I have butter. I also have some ampalaya which we're gonna put inside the casserole kasi wala lang, I want some gulay. Ang ginamit ni Kris is spinach. Wala akong spinach, so we're gonna use ampalaya. And then nor cubes for the kanina, stock. And then we have cream of mushroom soup. Yeah, so we're gonna start cooking. We're gonna add some butter. I need to get my knives sharpened. Hirap na hirap ako mag-cut ng chicken earlier. I don't have chicken breasts, so what I used is the boneless chicken legs from Rare Food Shop PH. So gusto ko siyang i-break apart yun. Wala lang, hindi na matalas yung mga kutsilyo ko. So I need to get those sharpened soon para hindi ako mahirapan. Alright, so we're just gonna cook the garlic and onion in the butter. I have lots of onion, lots of garlic. I'm gonna get the rice habang nagluluto ito. I'm gonna add in the chicken. Okay. Yum. So, pinag ko kahapon yung video ni Kris. Sabi ko, oh my god, tomorrow, I will cook that. Kasi, nag-crave talaga ako. Cheesy. Oh, sarap. She uploaded the video on Facebook. And I really want to get one of those ceramic pots talaga. Or anything cookware na ceramic. Ang ganda. Gonna let that cook. Okay, I got the rice. Oh, alright. Now, she used evap. Wala akong evap, so we're gonna use full cream milk. I don't think it's gonna be a problem, so I think it's fine. Let's do it. Go. Okay. And then we're gonna add in the cream of mushroom. Cream of mushroom. Yum, yum. Oh, the seasoning pa pala. Salt and pepper. She also used garlic salt. Wala akong garlic powder eh. We're just gonna use, so salt and pepper lang tayo. That's fine. Okay, salt. I also have Italian seasoning. Add in our gulay. I know, it's fine if you don't want to add ampalaya. This is just my preference. Again, si Kris, ang ginamit niya is spinach. Here is ampalaya. Okay, we're gonna add in, oh shucks. Alright, now let's add in the rice. Ah, it's hot. I'm gonna get the rest. Naiiwan pa sa ano eh. Alright. That's lahat ng rice. Again, the rice that I cooked is with chicken stock. Pag walang chicken stock, you can use nor cubes, which I diluted in water. Alright, we're gonna transfer this to our isa pang lagayan because kailangan pa natin siya ilagay sa microwave. Since wala akong oven, we're gonna use the microwave. We're gonna top this off with cheese. Wala rin akong cheese grater, so I'm using a peeler. And it works, so it's fine. Put this inside. We're gonna microwave that for, we'll see, hanggang sa mag-melt yung cheese. And here is the final output, chicken casserole. Nasunog ng konti yung isang part dito. Anyway, it's time to eat.
They're gonna work it out.
Can you talk to her?
Not when she's like this. Oh, you mean Alex? Yeah, I'll do it.
I don't know, he's always talking about how brave you are, how you're not afraid of anything. Now, he just seems a little sad.
Anything by Heavy D. Ooh, Pointer Sisters Neutron Dance. Turns out today...
Done having dinner and also done washing the dishes, cleaning the kitchen. So, masarap naman yung casserole. Yeah, it's just very filling. Sobrang nakakabusog siya. Like, one portion lang. Super duper busog ka na agad. So, I am going to end the vlog para maaga akong maka-upload. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Bye! I lighted up my candle from Yankee Candle. Love it. And my baby's sleeping. He's so sleepy. Night, Boo. Love you.